How to create a Shopify store on mobile 2024. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video what we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a Shopify store on our mobile devices. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're first of all going to go ahead and click on Start Free Trial, okay? Now once you click on Start Free Trial, it's going to bring you to the actual admin section where it's going to load you into the accounts. And now in the accounts, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to create a Shopify account. You could sign up with your email, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to go to sign up with email, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly enter my email real quick, okay? So I'm going to add in the corresponding corrected email. So while you're adding your email, you're also going to want to make sure that everything is accurate, all the information that you're going to add in. Now, the reason for that is you will have to make sure that the amount of work you put in when adding these kinds of things in needs to be on point, because later on they're going to send you a verification. Possibly you're going to need to verify yourself, and obviously they're going to ask you a few questions when they're taking you through the actual Shopify store, and they're going to ask you questions, what kind of store do you want to create, what kind of work do you want to do into your store. All these kinds of things are going to be asked, and you're going to need to answer them pretty efficiently and pretty correctly. So once we have loaded in, it's going to bring us over here. So here you can see it's going to give us the question. So let's get started. Which one of these best describes you? Will help you get set up based on your business needs. So first of all, you have I'm just starting and I'm already selling online or in person. I'm going to go with I'm just starting. And it says, where would you like to sell? So there's online store, in person, existing website or blog, social media. So I'm going to go with online store. Click on next. Then it says, what do you plan to sell first? Then it says products I buy or make myself, digital products, dropshipping products. I'm going to go with these two and click on get started. Okay. Now once you click on get started, it's going to bring you here where it's going to say, basic things that. So this is your basic dashboard. Okay. Now you can say that your store has essentially been created. Everything has started from here. And from here on out, you're going to want to optimize things. You're going to want to set things up accordingly to, whatever your page's liking is or whatever your store's liking is. You're going to fix all that up. So to start things off, first of all, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your settings, okay? So normally you will find your settings in this section. So let's go over to our settings and see the necessary things that you're going to want to optimize for your store. So first off, you have store details. So you're going to set in the details, add in a store phone number. Then you have your business address, where you can add any certain business address you want to. Okay, currently right now it's added my country as my business address, which is fine. I want that, so I'm going to keep it over there. Then you have your store currency, okay? Store currency is also pretty, you could say, important, because whichever region you're doing business in, the people of that region need to see the currency in their own region, So I'm going to keep it like that. Then you have other metric systems and stuff. You have order ID with suffix and prefix, so you can fix that later on if you want to. Then there's plans. If you want to set up any type of plan, you can set it up through this section. So, update your plan if you want to from here. Now moving on, if you go back in settings, you're going to see the payments, checkout, and everything. Now this is a very important section where, you can find your domains. So in your domains, first of all, you can either buy new domains or you can connect an existing domain that you already have. So if we click on connect existing domain, you can, go ahead and search up any domain that you want to. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and write, let's go with anything like this. I'm going to write .com. Now, once you click on next, it's going to tell you that, this domain is available, So if this domain is available, they're going to be like, go ahead and buy it. It's available for purchase. And they're going to say it's available to buy for $15 per year. So, just go ahead and set up a domain. And once everything is done, you're pretty much good to go. Now, let's talk about adding products. So here you're going to see your orders. Here you're going to see your products. Here you're going to see all the customers you have in your store, your content, okay, your analytics. Then you have your marketing, discounts, and all. So we're going to go to products, and I'm going to teach you how you're going to add products for yourself in your online store, right? So open up the product section. Now once your product section opens up, you can simply add products in the easiest way by just clicking on add products, and it's going to bring you here. So let's say I'm gonna add black leather jacket. So you're gonna, tell people this is genuine leather and it's unbeaten in the market. Give it a good description. Once you do that, you're gonna go down here, add the pricings. However much it costs, you're gonna add that. You're gonna add the cutoff price, and you have price per item, your margins and everything. You can also track its quantity if you want to. Then you have the weight of the product. You can add that for yourself. Once you do all of that, you can add the variants. And finally, once all the whatnots are done, you can simply go ahead and save your product, but also do make sure to not forget to add a media image. So you can actually go ahead and add images through your actual phone. So as you can see, I have tons and tons of images. So you can go ahead and add any image that you would like. So let's say I'm gonna add this image, okay? I'm gonna click on add. Now once you click on add, it's gonna bring me to media where it goes to uploading. And once you do that, you're gonna click on save. So you can see that you just saved your product, and that's pretty much about it when it comes to saving. So I just saved a product in my online store. Now when it comes to actually customizing my online store, which means, actually editing the look, the themes, the stylings of my online store, what am I gonna do in that case? So in that case, what I'm gonna do is we're gonna come here. I'm gonna load up my online store. It says your trial just started. Now, once we do that, we're going to click on customize real quick under the theme section. And once you click on customize, it's going to bring you here to the actual sections to work in, where you can enter your store password. Now, if you want to go into the editorial sequences, you're going to go ahead and open this editor up. Now, obviously over here, you can see a lot of things for customization, email sign up banners, you have password headers, you have the editorial sequences and all that. So it's pretty basic to get along with these things, edit your store as much as you want. You can add different sections if you want to with the featured collections, you have featured products, collection lists, rich texts, and a whole lot more. So it depends on how you choose to work with this, okay? And it depends on how your actual integrity works when you're working with an actual software like this. So just go ahead and edit it as you want. And this is the main concept and idea of how you create an online store using your phone on Shopify. So, I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later and goodbye.